Temu is a brand new e-commerce app that has been taking the world by storm. I guarantee you've seen one of their ads at some point, and you might have gone ahead and downloaded the app. But look at that, you could get some stuff for completely free if you just sign up a few people to Temu. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my exclusive methods on how I've gotten literally thousands of people to sign up for Temu, and I'm also going to be teaching you guys how I make over $1,000 a day, because if you guys just had a simple little mindset switch, you could probably be making even more than I am with Temu. As you guys can see right here, I have made over $33,000 from Temu's affiliate program. And the best part about it is that I can take any of this money and either withdraw it to PayPal or put it into my balance as a credit, which then I can use to buy products from Temu. On top of that, Temu regularly adds completely free money into my own account balance. They recently just sent me $500 that I can go ahead and pick any item right here that I could want. All I have to do is just go ahead and buy them with my own account balance, and then they will be sent to me almost instantly. I genuinely don't believe that there's a better affiliate program for you to get into right now than Temu's. But I know that my methods are actively working right now, so I'm curious if by the end of today's video, if I actually get another referral on top of all the referrals that I currently have. But before we begin, guys, let me go ahead and explain exactly how Temu's affiliate program works. Number one, when someone signs up or downloads the Temu app using your link or code, which I'll explain what that means in a second, you get a $5 download reward and 20% commission. There is not a single other e-commerce app that has a better affiliate structure than this, not Amazon, not any of the others. So that's why I have exclusively done business with Temu, because they have been the best to me out of any of the others by far. Now keep in mind, they have a couple different kinds of rewards. They have a $100 coupon bundle, which means that if someone signs up with this $100 coupon bundle, they get a $100 coupon bundle once they sign up for it. They also have this code right here, which how it works is that you go into the Temu app and then you search up whatever the code is. So this code is this right here. Basically what this means is that when someone goes ahead and looks up the code inside of Temu, they would then go ahead and get the 30% off reward sent to their account. Also, there's this free gifts link, which essentially means that when someone signs up using either this link or using the same method that I showed in the past right here, that means that they would get a free gift from Temu. So essentially that means that Temu would send them something for completely free, provided that they are a new app user and they go ahead and download a Temu account as well as create an account. I'm going to go ahead and leave this link in the description down below, just in case you guys are interested in getting any free gifts from Temu. I'm also going to go ahead and leave my affiliate sign up link in the description down below. It's going to be the same link. You guys can just click on that one link and you will get the free gifts from the app, or you can sign up for the affiliate program. And with that all being said, guys, I would actually recommend you guys go ahead and sign up to the Temu affiliate program if you are interested, because like I said, I make a little over $1,000 a day from the Temu affiliate program. And if you guys actually go ahead and sign up with my link and you are an influencer with a decent sized following, you will get up to a $50 reward just for signing up. Plus, if you guys go ahead and get your first commission, you will get an additional $5 on top of your original commission. So just keep that in mind. Also, guys, there are a set of methods that I can't actually show in today's video because they are too good and I want to leave them for only the people who are serious. I have a full method store in the description down below. It's called Unlimited Methods. We have over 600 customers and we are nearly 5-star rated. Every single one of these methods, guys, are completely legit. I use them myself on many different Temu accounts, and I have a ton of students that have made a ton of money. I would recommend actually getting the All Temu Methods bundle because you actually get an insane amount of value for your buck. Combined, every single one of the methods is about $250, but you get this one for only $49, which is a very reasonable price. We have only 5-star reviews for it, so I'd highly recommend you guys go ahead and check out my method shop. And with that all being said, guys, let's go ahead and get right into the methods. The first method to go ahead and show you guys is going to be the YouTube method. If I go ahead and search up Temu codes, as you guys can see right here, there is a bunch of videos just like this, including a bunch of shorts like this one, for example, where this guy got over 120,000 views. And all he did was that he just told people to go ahead and sign up to his Temu code. And I guarantee you, he got thousands upon thousands of people to sign up for this just by filming this easy screen recorded video and then just going ahead and uploading it to YouTube. Or you could be like any one of these people here where they're actually going ahead and creating videos that showing off their Temu code, saying that, hey, if you guys sign up using our code, you will get a free gift just for signing up. So all you need to do is just go ahead and sign up. As you guys can see, there is a ton of videos just like this, But I do understand why people would be a little bit hesitant to do this because they don't want to show their face on camera, which is why I went ahead and showed you guys actually the short example right here, because there's a ton of shorts just like this, which are super easy to make, that I guarantee you could make yourself, that require no face, no audio, no nothing, and you can make this with nothing but your phone and an app called Canva. This is a method that I've actually done myself. As you guys can see right here, this is a video that I made. This is one of the methods that I use for Temu, and this video got almost 500,000 views where I showed people my coupon code and told them that if you go ahead and sign up, you get this exclusive free gift that you're not going to get anywhere else, so you guys have to use it right now. Now, obviously, if you guys don't want to use your face cam in videos, or if you feel hesitant about using your own face in videos, I'm going to go ahead and show you another method right now that you can use to go ahead and get unlimited referrals on your Temu account. The next method, I actually am going to give you guys this one for completely free. This is one of the methods on my Temu, on the Unlimited Method store, is the Roblox Method. Basically, what you guys do is that you join any one of these Roblox games right here, and you spam your Temu code inside of the chat of the Roblox game. Now, depending on the game, guys, they might ban the code. They might not allow you to put it in. They might not allow you to put the Temu name. So what you got to do is that you got to write Temu like T3MU, just like this. And then once you guys do that, you actually go ahead and get it for, and then once you guys do that, it actually bypasses the restriction and allows you to go in. But depending on the game, they might not even have that. You could also just go ahead and DM people and write them. I actually have an exact copy like this inside of the method. I actually have a couple different versions of this exact copy inside of the method. But one of them is basically just writing out, I will give you 5 free Robux for signing up to this, and when you send me a screenshot proving it. And you guys can just go ahead and send them 5 Robux. I have 280 Robux in my account right now. I don't even play Roblox, and I have this amount. And as you guys can see, if you want to buy Robux for only about $5, it's about 400 Robux, which means that 5 Robux times, which means that 400 divided by 5 is 80 potential signups that you could get, which means that minus 5, that would be $390 in total profit, and you wouldn't even have to DM that many people to get that. That's just one of the methods that I went ahead and showed on the site, but there's a lot more on the site that I'm not going to go ahead and reveal here on YouTube. Plus, there's another method hidden inside of that Roblox method that I was talking about that I'm not actually going to be showing off in today's video. So if you guys are interested, make sure to go ahead and check out my Unlimited Method store. It's going to be the first link in the description. The next thing I would recommend you guys do is that you go ahead and join a Facebook group that is designed around Temu referrals. Now, I actually just went ahead and created a Facebook group for you guys to go ahead and join and put in your own Temu link that then members of our community will then be able to go ahead and sign up for. All you'll have to do is just write something right here and then copy and paste your Temu thing exactly. So I'll go ahead and copy mine right here as an example, and then I can go ahead and hit post. And then that's all you guys would have to do to get a bunch of completely free Temu referrals. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to my own private community in the description down below. This is one that is specifically tailored around Temu. It is completely free to join, no cost at all. And I'm going to go ahead and leave it right in the description down below so you guys can go ahead and instantly sign up. But if I actually go ahead and recheck my Temu page right here, as you guys can see, I've already made another free $5 by doing absolutely nothing. It's a whole nother sign up. I've already gotten another $5. I don't know why you guys don't get on the Temu train right now, especially with the summer season coming up. I see you guys absolutely cashing out right now with your Temu referrals and getting all the free stuff you want. But that all being said, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and make sure you go ahead and click on this video right here, right now.